gimane no sane timore jok manie apis kendo jogo mantiere ka gitiyo. Waseno ka governors chiwo seyo maduong' ahinya bende ne auditor general kendo jagaa bajet e weche gi mag omenda. Ka dipo ni gini timore jok mantiere e sirkal, onego bed ni giwuok oko gi attack offices machalo kamagi, koso onego bed ni romo moro nitie ma iwacho ni giyudo kumoro ma girade kendo mondo mi ginene adier makosa mosewacho ni timore e counties wagi ere kaka inyalo losgi. Koso Kenya ka en mana reaction kinde duto ka ng'ato loso irite mondo mi iduoke kata mondo itim gimoro manyiso ni ok imor gi chung' mare.
Apart ni kiluwo kinino Office of the Control of the Budget and the Office of the Auditor General, magir like you say gin independent offices. Kendo tijgi are clearly stipulated in the Constitution mar Kenya. Koro kapo ni nitie weche moko maginyalo wacho definitely manyalo bet ni gihinda. Kenya nyalo compare most especially with the recent wave of politics of Kenya. In and there's a lot of impopularity. The government is a bit unpopular on the ground, both on the ground and also on the global scale. Kim Ngeo based on corruption more Kenya is better graded in terms of pilferage and maybe waste of resources more better in our society. Compare last year 2023 December, I think sometimes back like that, the report more work from the state office of the Auditor General. There's a lot of ghost workers. Man also team counties. This time we better more into the national government, and still national government is more about the image of the government. Watch about of a lot of rot in the treasury. You pay from nowhere, pay from unbudgeted for. Without approval of the National Assembly, Mago Giseketo, Kikam also in terms of recently, what talk about the shy issues. Koro, Ineno Karasani, Kineno Clofas, Jogo it directly on the government. And the government, they will more company maybe such offices will bad against you people. The best way Maginyalo be team godo ni watch Guinea utimo watemo kama 1 2 3. But apparently the report ni can you check it keenly because one this is what we have because government poko come out mondo me defend. Manaka watch the issue of corruption. Government has a lot of power. Mondo me based on intelligence, based on expertise. Maginyalo ni really there's corruption but they can even point out ni my kama Guinea my pesa maybe ngata sabeni kakao kan ngane ka pesa maybe government things okay what more from nowhere then maybe ngaro pesa it can go like that ko ngado identify where the truth kanyo. Because government has power to really know ni gima what is true ama gima control what is true. It can take corruption otimra diere ka onge gima jogo wacho beni still true but upon the best way mondo at least pinyo move forward upon gima control of budget they do recommend on gima wacho upon is just a reminder for the government mondo at least gi work on gima ginya loko mondo gik moko de kare koro back and forth mago just but one ko morgi sesa morgi kaponi office mega mentio Sirkal bene boso in terms of the taxpayers money mo megi mono gitigo na jopiny gitiyo godo in a very good way koro by watch calling at magi mana koro buying time mondo at least gima ng'ato wacho ruchre to lal kamano.
Nashon gima Nancy Gadhungu wacho ni parliament nigi the last word iduto ka reports magintiere godo jodu bura bacha mi wari recommendation ni jogo nego temo ginade jogo mado kantiere kod chilo machalo kamagi omenda madipo no lal nigi nitie kembe mathoth ahinya ma itudo kod okuma ni mano mar sha magi wacho nyaka sande bende osebedo ka yuto e chenro gi mopogore opogore. De wach nan kotenore kod od bura bedo gi wach mogik nyaka sani kama walose ka od bura ni onywando jogi te kantiere jo Azimio mamoko kuom gi onge wach ni jo ODM kod jo UDA magi ne jok mathoth e od bura ma walose ne kan gi final word mane monego beni gi chung godo kod wach mar Nancy Gadhungu.
Hapa ni Cleophas mano dhi kata koke wacho ino ka Sirkal man godo sani man kaka wacho still one get a lot of political tension in Prima Kenya sani. Anyal parani Cleophas, I think was it last interview man be I think nangi the likes of Kindo Juka kind of way about the impact of one too much all related gima they watch at this point here. Now the deputy president, the former Mr. Gachagua will have a very other me of PP mar Kenya very at time in terms of managing populism mar Mount Kenya. He has a power more and root home in terms of the power more in case no better impeached. It happened definitely it come to true. Now this has a lot of control of the mountain, control of the people, and control of a lot of influence. Still I can just repeat Cleophas, we have a lot of political tension. To Gimada Koni, Inge Bear, Manaka Wachoni, it goes without say, Sirkal definitely they have power on the National Assembly. But definitely Sirkal jogi against the government and National Assembly they them want the power. and Sirkal definitely control the National Assembly. You don't expect anything out of it. Because they know definitely, even if you go to National Assembly, mano ilu oni dead on arrival.
Kama